From the moment that the Albanian government announced the construction of nearly 330 hydropower plants as a priority for the country, the development of this sector began to attract the interest of Bulgarian companies, one of which is VAPTECH. Operating globally, VAPTECH is a producer and supplier of high-quality electromechanical equipment for hydropower plants. The company has an extensive expertise in the delivery and maintenance of hydropower solutions worldwide. Representatives from the Bulgarian company say that Albania is a new market for new opportunities as it offers great potential in this sector.
We came to Albania almost 1 year ago. We have undertaken 4 projects so far. Our idea is to increase the general level of competence in the Albanian hydropower sector. Our purpose is to set up long-term relations with our Albanian clients by always providing them with exceptional quality products and services. That's why we value the Albanian market as challenging but offering great potential.
This is one of the first Bulgarian companies to be part of the Albanian energy sector at a time when the government, as announced by Prime Minister Sali Berisha, has invested nearly 3.2 billion euros in the hydropower sector. At the Albanian-Bulgarian Business Forum organized by VAPTECH, Berisha invited Bulgarian businessmen to invest in Albania.
This is some of the potential that Albania presents to Bulgarian investors. But I guarantee to Bulgarian investors and suppliers that Albania has even more to offer. Your decision to invest in this friendly country will undoubtedly lead to positive results, and the success will go down in history. We are experienced in the construction of hydropower plants, and we are ready to work together. The governments of both countries should be the guarantors. They should allay the fear of companies that want to invest. I think this is the right path.
Bulgaria has been among the first import-export partners for Albania and for cooperation with Albanian businessmen.